It is very important to keep a business's hours up to date in Google Business Profile. That way visitors are not going to the business's location or calling the business only to find out it's not actually open. That is a very frustrating experience for customers or potential customers. So here I'm going to show you how to very easily and quickly update a business's hours in Google Business Profile and in the Google Business Manager as well. Starting off with the Google Business Profile dashboard. From there, you will select Edit Profile and you will click on Hours. Now here we will see the business's regular hours, and we will also see a special hours section. There we will click on the pencil icon, and it is typically going to list any of the upcoming holidays so that you can set special hours for that day. But let's say that you have an event that is coming up for the business, so the hours will be longer or they'll be shorter, they'll be different, or there is maybe a holiday perhaps that Google has not added in here. You want to make sure to add those as well. So to do so, you can simply select Review next to the holiday. You can select that it is closed, or if it is not, you can uncheck the box and add in the business hours, open and close hours there. Now, if you have a different day where your hours are going to vary, you will simply add a date. You can then select the upcoming date from the calendar, and you can set the open and close times there and simply select Save. Now, from the Google Business Profile Manager here, you will see a list of the businesses that you manage. You will be able to select next to the business name the pencil icon. There you will go through the same process of selecting the Hours tab, and you can go back to the Special Hours section. And that is all you need to do to keep your hours up to date. So make sure that you are reviewing your hours on a monthly basis to make sure that they are correct and there's no special hours that you need to add or change.